Well, see all the roots I got out of there? And this one was kind of white, and at first I was going to cut it off, and I thought I better make sure that's wood and not a sprinkler line or something where they ran an electrical wire or something like that through a PVC line. So I had to double check that out, and I had to get my lopping shears out, and because my little shears were good for some, but not for that big one. Okay, and you see how much nicer it looks in there. This is all flexible now. Granted, I still have to check that, fix that. And I looked at this light over here, and yeah, they just ran that in. They didn't have it poked into anything, and I had to follow the wire around, and I had to dig this out. See, here's the wire nuts. Here's the wire nuts for the main landscape wiring down there. And then it goes to the thin wire. I'm going to be replacing that, but for the time being, I'm just going to leave it. Okay, but at least I know where it was. I wasn't sure if it was there or wrapped around that way or whatever, because when I run the wire through there, I'll probably have to give myself plenty so that if I connect it over there, I've got enough wire. But you know, I'll talk to my wife now, because now that this pipe is here and the wire is going to go over here, I thought, you know, that might be a nice little place for a downlight, for a landscape light right there, too. And maybe there instead of here. I don't know. I'll go over certain things with her, and you know, I'll give myself plenty of wire in case she doesn't want a downlight there. I'll have the wire long enough to make a connection over there, and then I'll bring this one out further, because I know she's going to want an uplight right there, but maybe she'll want a downlight here too. I don't know. And maybe she'll want to, she'll do away with the downlight here and just put it there, boom, boom, you know, instead of over here. Because when somebody walks through the gate, this is going to open. The first lights they're going to see is this one, not this one around the corner from the gate. You know what I mean? And I think that would light up really nicely there. It'll add some eye appeal to the front of our house. A couple lights there, an uplight there. Redo the lights over in here. Put an LED on that one instead of the halogen. LED instead of the halogen, and then another new LED. And yeah, there'll be plenty of wire power to light up those additional lights. Okay, so I'll get my wife out here and kind of talk to her about that before I start running these wires. Okay, so that's the next thing, is I'll run these wires here in a minute.